Hey guys, welcome to Sisu Claudia Budgets. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on my video. And if you're returning, hey guys, how are you doing this week? I am your 33-year-old mother, social work student who works full-time in social services. I am here to show you the silly, ever so struggling, but never quitting Sisu spirit as I find balance in my life and raise my young daughter in breaking generational cycles and gaining financial literacy. If any of that resonated with you, consider liking my video and even subscribing to follow along as I beat down the imposter syndrome and save some money along the way. Okay guys, so in today's video, I kind of just wanted to do a first week of October wallet check-in to see how I did. In groceries, it is completely empty because I did not buy groceries since September 30th at $130. I will be planning to do another wallet stuffing for the month of October since I have to do my first paycheck breakdown for October because I do get paid on the 10th, which is tomorrow, Monday. Oh, wait, no. The 9th, Monday. Yes, it is 1 o'clock in the morning. I couldn't sleep. In household, I currently have $0. I am planning to kind of budget for myself roughly $25, $30 weekly in household, for like maybe toiletries or, maybe batteries if we need batteries. In pets, for September, it looks like, in October, I keep saying August. In October, I plan to budget roughly $80 to $100 per period or per month. Right now I'm at $0, even though they just pulled $75 as of the 9th for my cat litter trays. For gas, I have not gassed up yet, which is probably a good thing, which means I'll probably be gassing up tomorrow. I have $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, and $6 left. This is definitely going to be rolled over for this next pay period for my gas. As far as gas goes, in the month of September, it looks like I spend roughly about $180. It was $150, but I am starting to give my girlfriend some gas money just because, driving long distances every few weeks. So for the month of October, I hope to maybe budget roughly maybe $200, $240 for gas. For coffee, I am trying to limit the coffee runs. So I do have coffee or cold brew that I make at home. I did spend in the month of September, I reloaded my Dutch Bros card for $15. I spent $8 on my Starbucks card. For October, I'm hoping to aim at roughly $20. Right now, I do have, I think, $5 on my Starbucks card and like $5 on my Dutch Bros. So there is that. For my daughter, Monkey, I am starting to give her a little bit of an allowance weekly, maybe $5, so that she could cash stuff. She definitely wants to start cash stuffing. Her biggest goal, honestly, is to save for Disneyland, which is adorable. Okay, and then for give, that is for, when you see people who are either homeless or, struggling, trying to sell flowers or oranges, I forgot who I saw it that had their ones folded individually, so you're not like fumbling around. So I am, I have $5 here, more or less, I try to not get rid of it, but bless somebody, give it to someone. My eating out drinks envelope, should be empty, even though there's some coupons in here. It looks like I'm trying to pre-budget. Thank you, seriously saving roughly maybe $80 to $100 for the month of October, so it could be like $20 a week. Right now it's at $0. For miscellaneous, I have $0 for the first 9 days of October. But let's just, if you caught my end of month September video, it was a hot mess. Tuition got me, all these saving transfers got me. Yeah, you guys we got to track. Every dollar counts, every penny counts. For personal savings, personal spending, y'all. Let's just say Temu is winning right now. Yeah, right here I did add personal with my date night funds. Me and my girlfriend, we went to, what's it called? Halloween, like horror nights. So for the month of September, I did spend roughly $244. For October, because it is Halloween time, y'all, I'm aiming for maybe 240. I have to do my saving challenges so that we could go to the movies and see the scary movies. What scary movie are you guys looking forward to that's coming up in October, November, and maybe December? Me and my partner, we did just see The Exorcist. That was good. I'm gonna say good. I don't know. Yeah, tell me what Halloween movie you guys are looking forward to seeing this Halloween season. If you celebrate Halloween, if you enjoy the fall months and the horror movies. But yeah, hopefully I'm aiming for about $200 for the month of October. Let's see. That was my end of month summary fiasco. You should definitely catch my last video where I did the September attempt of closing it out. Like I said, y'all, you guys gotta really track. That's my hot mess. But that's my little tour of my wallet, or my cash envelope wallet. This is an envelope for my credit card pay. So like for whenever I do use, say, my Discover card for gas, if I have the actual cash in here, I will write it down here and then make sure I transfer it to my credit card envelope. And of course I don't want to be walking around with like $100 each here, so at the end of each day I'll empty it out when I get home or so that I could have it at home, and then until I could transfer it back to the bank to do my payments. But that was my crazy check-in for October. I did not spend anything, y'all. I have to see. I have to double check, but I did want to give you guys a little tour of my wallet. So that's my cash envelopes that I have. It is very difficult when you're trying to do like a hybrid where you use your credit card. You got to figure out when your statement date is. You got to figure out when your credit card payments are due, and of course transfer it back to the bank so you can pay yourself back, or at least pay your credit card. All right, y'all. Well, you guys have a great one. Have a good week and happy savings. If you guys finished to the end of this video, definitely comment below so you can enter my run to 100 subscribers with a ghost emoji. All right, guys. Have a good one. Bye.